Don't bring it out here, it's muddy. There you go, Chris.
Hey, let me go pull the vet down here. We can do the same thing.
Yeah, see the look on Patty's face when you do that.
Dude, that ain't smart.
Why do you think I didn't drive my truck out here?
What are you going to do now?
Now he's up on the hill again. Trying to push him. Actually, it's going to start raining, so let's go ahead and start pushing again.
Chris, get your truck and pull it out.
You owe us some fucking dinner. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Now cut it.
It's hard down there. Don't stop.
Quick, punch it.
Don't punch it. Take it easy.
Don't go. Because you're going to slide.
All right.
You're fine. It's going to go straight to the bush.
Whoop. Uh-oh. That car's
Lost my minute.
Yep, that car's just spinning a little faster than back. No, don't stop. Keep going. Oh, fucking stop. It's still going. Still going. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. All right, come on, man.